Hello, everyone. Welcome to this beginner-friendly tutorial on creating a basic index.html page. If you're new to programming, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, we'll walk step by step through creating an HTML file from scratch. In the next video, linked here, we'll take it a step further by hosting your index.html page online, making it accessible to anyone on the internet. This entire process should take no more than 30 minutes. By the end, you'll have a live website that you can share with others, completely free of charge. A quick but important reminder. Before we dive in, I want to emphasize something crucial. Watching endless tutorials without applying what you learn is not an effective way to improve. Many aspiring programmers fall into the trap of consuming tutorial after tutorial without ever building something on their own. This is often called tutorial hell. Real learning happens through trial and error, by creating, experimenting, and problem solving. Think of it like swimming. You can't call yourself a swimmer just by watching swimming tutorials. You have to get in the water and practice. Don't just watch. Follow this tutorial, build your HTML page, and then move on to the next video to host it online. Complete the process instead of stopping halfway. Let's break free from tutorial hell together. Once your website is live, share the link in the comments to show the world that you've taken action. Tell your friends, I built my own website. By hosting your site online, you'll be ahead of many programmers who spend hours coding without ever showcasing their work. And unlike those who forget what they've learned after a month, you'll have something real and tangible to show for your efforts. Let's create our first HTML file. We are going to start simple, just enough HTML to qualify as a basic website. It will include some essential tags and 4 images to make it visually engaging. Open your text editor, Notepad is fine, and create a new file. Save it as index.html. The .html extension tells the browser that this is an HTML document. If your Windows settings have extensions hidden by default, even though you name the file index.html, it will be saved as index.html.txt. If you're on Windows, go to View in File Explorer and check the box labeled File Name Extensions. When you check that checkbox, you will see the actual extension. Windows was saving this file as a .txt file, which is not what we want. Remove the .txt from the end of the file name and press Enter. A pop-up will appear asking if you are sure you want to change the extension. Click Yes. Download 4 images from the internet and paste them into the Images folder. Place the Images folder at the same level as your index.html file. Verify the website by running it locally. Proceed to the next video in the series to learn how to make this index.html file live. Once we have successfully hosted our index.html, we will take the next step, hosting an interactive website with a modern web development framework, deploying a backend API, and establishing communication between our hosted front-end and back-end web applications. Stay tuned to this channel for a full-stack development journey using only one language, C#.